Mix the juice of 2 onions with the spices, salt, black pepper, paprika, ground coriander, nutmeg, baking soda, and yogurt. Combine well. Pour the mixture over the ground lamb and mix thoroughly, kneading it well. Wrap the meat tightly in plastic wrap, shaping it into a roll, and make sure to remove any air. Seal it tightly and freeze for 24 hours. For the sauce, mix the tahini, yogurt, mayonnaise, lemon juice, salt, and both black and red pepper well and set aside. After 24 hours, remove the meat from the freezer and slice it thinly. Heat a cast iron skillet over high heat and grill the meat slices until they change color. Serve the doner with the sauce, sliced onions, pickles, French fries, and chopped parsley inside bread. Enjoy your meal.